What's up guys, today I'm gonna go ahead and do a review of the oil cash can. So if you haven't watched the videos of the installs, I'll have a playlist in the card above as well as link down in the description. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so it's been about a month since I had the oil cash can installed on my Audi A4, and I also had maybe 1,000 to 1,500 miles driven with it installed. And on the PDF instructions, if you guys read through it for yourselves, if you're installing one, it says that to check it on the first 500 miles, and then if it doesn't have much in it, check it after the first every 1,000 miles after that. So I checked out the 1,000 miles. And there's quite a bit in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much it collects, what it collects, and then how much it saves your engine in the long run. All right, so in order to check to see how much fluid's been collected in the oil cash can for the ECS version, and I think most of them, there's a dipstick. All you do is pretty much just twist it off, and once you get it twisted off, you just pull it out. And then as you can see, this is how much fluid's in the oil cash can, so it's probably pretty much close to being needed to be drained out. So let's go ahead and take out the oil cash can and show you guys how filled it is, and then also see how much contaminants it filtered out from going back into the intake. All right, not sure if you guys can see that. It is a little cloudy today, but as you can tell, there is a bunch of stuff in there. It looks black and orange, and most of that's just oil, gas, and a little bit of mixture of moisture that's collected from the air intake from the water. So let's go ahead and put this back on, and then I'll continue my review. All right, so that's what it's like after driving 1,500 miles or 1,000 miles and 1,500 miles on the oil cash can. And as you can tell, all of that would have gone back into the cold air intake the air intake if I hadn't installed that. Over time, that'll build up on the back of the valve since it's a direct injected engine. And I'm not sure if this engine has, a second fuel injector that sprays on the back of the valves every once in a while to make sure they stay clean. But just to be on the safe side, I just gone ahead and installed the oil cash can anyway. Just, because in the long run, it'll kill your performance and it'll just gunk up the engine. And if you guys are like me, a gearhead, whatever you want to call yourself, installing an oil cash can is the best bet. Especially if you want to keep your engine clean, performance up, and prolong the life of the motor itself. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, and then don't forget hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in my next one.